Hey everybody, I want to update you on the painting from video 533. It is super cool. I'm glad I made all the decisions I did with all the tilting and whatnot going on with it. I'm really happy with this one, and I'm happy with the colors. I love it. I love how, you know, it's more of the orangey here and purple there, but then you see the violet running through. I'm happy with it. I like that. So today I am going to do an open cup, I don't know, flip and spin, twirl, whatever. I've done them before. I don't know what cute name I should call it, but I've done them before, and for some reason I'm blanking on what I used to call it. So it's going to be kind of, hang on, I need a drink water. Kind of darker. I've got Payne's Gray, Liquitex Basic Dioxazine Purple, and Artist Loft Green Yellow. So, oh, and look at this cute little baby canvas magnet that I made. Right now it's attached to a cup, but it will be a magnet. I will stick one on there. I've been putting those up on my Etsy site. They're lots of fun. Oh, this box is empty. Oh, that's this way. So it is, I don't know what date it is, Wednesday. And I had a stomach bug over the weekend, and then I haven't had time to paint. This is my first time down here in a while, it feels like. So what I just shook up is my Dutch Boy interior paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I do have lots of paint mixing videos. And this is the canvas from the swipe with the hot spatula. That didn't quite turn out, but was fun to do. Hoping to be able to answer your YouTube comments over this coming weekend. I've just been very, very busy at work. So I have not had a chance. And then being sick, which didn't help. And we are supposed to get more snow tonight. If any of you fellow Midwesterners, it's like a sick joke at this point. It just keeps coming. And then I was thinking then it's going to be warmer to dig out all of the gutters and stuff so that they don't flood. I actually don't mind winter too much. Like, the snow's annoying. It's pretty when it's happening. I am dreading my backyard when it melts. It's just going to be a big, muddy, nasty playground for my dog. Hang on, I gotta get my torch. But I don't like hot weather. Like really hot. So, oh my gosh, I just used that, but I closed it super tight. So I shook out that white, which was why I had so many air bubbles. So the torch gets out the air bubbles. There is a thingy. Got the thingy out. Where's my cup? Excuse me. I pour one at a time doing it this way, but I think I'm going to start with all three. I don't want those in there. There we go. And this plastic thing, you can use PVC pipe, you can use a toilet paper roll, recycle. If you use a toilet paper roll, I would suggest maybe taping around the bottom, otherwise it'd get soggy and turn to mush. But this is just a plastic thing that came with my plastic shelving units that like kept it separate in the box or something. So now I am just kind of, I am twirling it, I suppose, as it comes out. Just kind of going in whatever direction I feel. Ooh, so far so good. Cool, look. But then what I will do is torch it, which will make all the white cells come up, which is ugly. And then I will go over it again with the plastic. So it's kind of a two-step process, and I tried to cut out like one of the steps because I thought, well, if I'm torching and going back over, why can't I just do that once? But for some reason, and I don't know what video that even was that I tried it, it just didn't work that way. And I mean, I discovered all this by accident. It was another one of those techniques that I came upon by just kind of trial and error, working on a piece. Turned out to be my most favorite piece ever. I didn't even bring it to my art show to display it because I am so protective of that painting. And I don't have a video of it, but I have a video of me showing the painting. But I was like, I don't want anything to even happen to it in the car, anything. It hangs above my bed. Finally, it's been down in my studio forever. So I finally hung it up. All right. Total ugliness, which is what I expected. So then now I am like kind of grazing the top of it, and I may go back in and put more green. Or maybe not. Let's see how this, I mean, by now you know my new fave is the look of the lines. I love that. That's kind of my, as of late, well, last 6 months or so, what I've really gone after in a lot of my pours. There's just something about them. Like these colors. Oh, topping, well, I'm thinking. Trying to decide on the ultimate shape I want of it. edges less uniform. I'm probably dyeing my hair in the process. Ooh, that's kind of neat, that little bright spot of dioxazine purple, violet. Pah. And then the second time that it's torched, that white does not come up like it does the first time. So you're safe from that, which is why I torch immediately. I'm going to touch up the edges. I really, really like this one. And it actually didn't turn out as dark as I thought it would. I really thought, well, I must have gone with more purple than the Payne's gray really doesn't, really it appears like the Payne's gray just kind of muted down the is it yellow green? Green yellow, yes. But these three colors together are very cool. All right, so let me bring the camera down. Ooh, I like it. It's like smoke. I'm varnishing the commission piece. It's so cool. And underneath there is the Lazy Susan, that really colorful swipe Lazy Susan that is undergoing. Seriously, I have no idea how it just cut out, but I don't know. I wasn't even touching any buttons. But it's undergoing its first coat of resin, and I didn't want to wash it because of that wood putty on it. So I did put a little bit of silicone in the resin because it had silicone in it to help it not resist. It won't be perfect, which is why I will then have to, then I feel I can wash it once it has a thin coat of resin on it and it won't disrupt the putty. So anywho, there you go. I love it. It reminds me of a dragon. Catch you next time. Bye.